Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Hyundai Tucson in 3D driving class. First, launch the 3D driving class application on your phone or tablet. Once the game has fully loaded, proceed to the main menu. Before you begin, make sure you have enough in-game money. You will need at least $15,000 to purchase the vehicle. This initial step is crucial for a smooth experience. Once you are in the main menu, look for and tap on the car dealership button. This will take you to a new screen displaying all the vehicles available for purchase. Take your time to scroll through the various car models. You're looking specifically for the Hyundai Tucson, which is usually categorized with other SUVs or crossover vehicles. It should be clearly labeled, making it easy to spot. After locating the Hyundai Tucson, tap on its image to bring up its detailed information and price. Double-check that you have enough in-game currency, then proceed with the purchase confirmation. Once bought, you'll have the option to customize your new vehicle. You can change its color, add accessories, or adjust other settings to your liking. Make it truly yours before hitting the virtual roads. With your new Hyundai Tucson purchased and customized, it's time to take it for a spin. Exit the car dealership menu and return to the main game options. From there, you can select your preferred driving mode, whether it's free roam, a specific mission, or a race. Choose your desired map and start enjoying your new vehicle. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals. Have fun exploring the virtual world in your stylish new ride.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.